As a part of here, the women's cell of the College of Government Pressured College, Harvard, organized 1 month long short-term course is coming to the end, and on this occasion of valedictory, we are all here, and I request Dr. Uma Puja, the convener of the program, for
A very good morning, everyone. Government First Year College and PG Center and organized national
level online short-term course skills for women in COVID-19 under the aegis of IPSC and Women's Self Initiation
from
from 8th of February to 10th March 2021. So I'm very glad to
be here. At the outset, I would like to welcome our principal, sir, the president of this program, Professor S.B. Patil, sir, on behalf of Women's Cell. Welcome, sir. I also take an opportunity to welcome the organizer of this program, Dr. Pradna Mattihalli, and also the coordinator for Women. I welcome her on this occasion. A very warm welcome, madam. It is also my privilege to welcome Dr. Gurnath Badiger, sir, IQSC coordinator, for his lot of encouragement for conduct of this program. Welcome you, sir, on this behalf of this welcome Women's Cell. And there is a guest here, Dr. Saraswati Kalsar, Principal, Government First Year College for Women, Harvard. I welcome her on behalf of this Women's Cell for her presence here today. I also take an opportunity to welcome all the participants who have participated very actively for all these 30 days. I welcome all of you from this Women's Cell. And also, I welcome all the faculties of Government First Year College for their encouragement, and I heartily welcome all of them. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Over to Badiger, sir.
thank you, madam, for being all present here. On this occasion, we want to present you as a part of this course. We report on how this 1 month course was conducted, and a brief report is before you now. Respected President, Professor S.B. Patil, the Principal of our college, respected guest of honor, Dr. Saraswati Kalsar, the Principal of Women's College, Harvard, respected Dr. Pradna Mattihalli, the Head of the Department of Commerce and Course Coordinator PG and Women's Cell Coordinator, Dr. Uma Puja, the Coordinator of PG Placement Cell, and the convener of the program, and all my dear colleagues and participants. This course was a dream project of this Women's Cell. In fact, we small program for women empowerment, but very soon it took a shape of a 1 day course to 1 week course and 1 week course to 1 month long course. It was a marathon course. We were apprehensive of inviting 30 resource persons, 30-hour lectures, materials, and a long month. But at the end of this particular course, we come to know that government college can also do such a course with minimum facilities and the resources available. Where there is a will, there is a way. This holds good with the Government College of Dharwad. I congratulate the team, particularly Dr. Pradnya Mattihari and Dr. Uma Pujar, for taking this initiative. Throughout this course, we invited resource persons from across the globe, from different countries, including America, Bahrain, and various other countries. We have 30 resource persons giving lectures on variety of topics. To name few, we have Dr. Aruna Ediyal, Dr. K.S. Pavitra, psychiatrist, Dr. Aruna Ediyal, Department of Psychiatry at Mangalore, Dr. Gopal Das, Associate Professor of Psychiatry, Dr. K.S. Pavitra, a psychiatrist, famous psychiatrist from Shimoga, Dr. Preeti, a consulting psychiatrist in Spandan, Dharwad, Dr. Veena Bhatt, famous obstetrician and gynecologist from Bhadravati, Dr. K.S. Pavitra, a famous psychiatrist from Shimoga, Dr. K.S. Subrata, Professor and Head of Psychiatry, Subhaya Institute of Medical Sciences, Shimoga, Dr. Rajiv Bhatt, Professor in Food and Technology, Estonia, European Union, he is working. Dr. Srishti Hegde, occupational therapist, All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore. Dr. K.S. Chaitra, consulting dentist, Bangalore. Dr. Kavita, additional chief medical officer, SAIL, Bhadravati. Dr. Shantala RM, consulting dermatologist, Lalita Shanbag, Dr. Lalita Shanbag of Art of Living Foundation, Dr. Aparna Srivastav, a consultant, interventional cardiology, Sahyadri Narayan Multi-Speciality Hospital, Shimoga, Sneha Nadigar, Dr. Shivanand Hiramat, and we have Dr. Tanushri Hegde, or consultant cataract and glaucoma specialist, and we have a number of speakers from across the globe. In that way, this is a big achievement of the college, and they have come only because of the rapport Dr. Pradnya Madam developed with them, spoke to them. Dr. Tanushri Hegde, Dr. Aditya Pandurangi, Dr. H.S. Prema, Dr. Omkar Bhatkar, Vivek Khatraki, Dr. Pallavi Hegde, Sri Krishna Bhatt from Bahrain, Dr. Veena Nagaraj, Chetana, Mata Vivekamai, Vinod, Dr. Vaishali Hegde, Dr. Arti Aital, Dr. Tejaswini Akondimat, G.K. Badige, Dr. Basuraj Talur, Dr. Sahana Bhatt, Dr. Gayatri Hegde, Dr. Uma Puja, Dr. Neeta Dumal of Kolhapur, Somshekhar, a famous retired district judge, Dr. Anand Bhatt of Jayalakshmi Hegde, S.V. Chandrakala, Dr. Kumar Swami, Amita Bhagavat, Dr. R.G. Hegde, Dr. Prajna Mattihalli, Dr. Arundhati Kulkarni, Srimati Uma Prashant, Ajanta Chandan, Dr. Veena Bhatt, Dr. Vandana. The topics were vast and varied. It includes the psychiatry, fine arts, stress management, depression, anger management, meditation, how to manage anxiety, nutrition and health, women health, pregnancy issues, dance and women, basic first aid skills, common dermatological problems, cancer and women, eye care, role of music in maintaining good health, women empowerment, job opportunities, communication skills, technology enablement, scholarships, musical waves, women empowerment, and yoga demonstration. Variety of topics related to dance for equality of quality life, emotional intelligence, non-verbal communication, resume writing, income tax, mutual fund, real life situation, model people, leadership qualities, a bonsai scale, women characters in literature, famous women writers, protection and prevention of occupational eye hazards, and women leadership, soft skill development, women in theater, laws related to women. So yoga for pregnant women, variety of topics which really empowered our women. This is a unique program. In fact, at the end of the course, we come to know that is it actually our college which did this kind of a marathon course and such a, it is all because of a good relationship. At the same time, the goodness in all the speakers, the goodness who have done selfless service for this. It's not so easy to give a video and present something because we are all serving the students who belong to the oppressed and the depressed society. On this occasion, I congratulate the whole team on behalf of principal and all the staff for having taken up such an initiative and completed such a big task. With this, I present a short report on this short-term course, and thank you very much for the opportunity. Now we move towards a few words from guest of honor, Dr. Saraswati Kalasad, who is with us on this occasion. I request Dr. Saraswati Kalasad for her words.
Thank you, Vadigar sir. Really, it is an immense pleasure. Thanks to everybody. It is an immense pleasure for us because it is Motherhood College and we are all colleagues. And we are innovated a very wonderful work from our GFGC's Dharwad. And when we are observing in the outlook, it seems that they are collected a knowledge throughout the globe due to the COVID-19. It is one of the blessings for us to take such a knowledge and share it to everybody through the technology. This is behind this heart since from the long period. And when we are taking this knowledge, it is knowledge applicable to everyone and every corner for their life. Such a treasury of knowledge they are gathered and also to the public. It is near about 60 topics given by the 60 resource person, and these resource person are not from our country. They are all collected from the throughout the globe country, And when we are collecting a one information, it is not an easy task. Such a wonderful work they are done. Really, I say heartfelt thanks to this team and also principal and to the organizer. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, madam, for your words of encouragement on this occasion. And now I request our beloved principal, Professor S.B. Patil, for his presidential remarks. Professor S.B. Patil.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected chief guest of our today's function, today's program, Dr. Saraswati Prasad, Principal Government First Aid College for Women, Dharwad. Coordinator, Dr. Pradnya Mattihalli, Women's Forum, members, Women's Cell of our college. Coordinator, IQSC, Dr. G.K. Badiger, and teachers and participants of 1 month short-term course on life skills for women, organized by Women's Cell and Government First Aid College and PG Center, Dharwad, in association with IQSC. I congratulate Dr. Pradnya Mattihalli, the HOD of Commerce and Coordinator, Women's Cell, Dr. Uma Pujar, Assistant Professor, for the short-term course. It is a unique program in which a number of scholars, doctors, judicials, officials, social activities, personalities, writers, teachers, artists delivered talks on variety of topics related to the empowerment of women. We are glad to know the responses of participants. I hope this tradition will continue in the college. I congratulate all to the participants and thanks all resource persons for sparing your valuable time for this short-term courses. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words of support. This now we are going to program with by a proposing vote of thanks by Dr. Pradnya Mattihalli, who is the coordinator for this STC short-term course. And I request Dr. Pradnya.
Hello, everyone.
Proposing vote of thanks.
Beloved Principal, Professor S.P. Patil, Guest of Honor, Dr. Saraswati Kalsad, IQAC Coordinator, Dr. G.K. Badiger, and convener of this program, Dr. Uma Pujar. My dear participants, really it was a beautiful journey of conducting this short-term course from our Women's Forum. We dreamt of this course and started without any kind of experience. Really, we were not sure of collecting resources, but we tried our level best. Just it is because of the wholehearted cooperation, which is extended from all distinguished personalities of the world, who are all situated in many countries. Sometimes it is very difficult to connect with the people from USA, for example. If we are calling them in our day, it becomes night for them. Such kind of physical barriers are there. But there is nothing like spiritual barrier, you know. So they have all responded positively. They tried their level best, irrespective of their busiest schedules and all. Some of the doctors were on COVID duty. They couldn't be allowed with the software technologies also inside the premises of the hospitals during COVID era. Even then, they devoted their weekends for us and they shared their knowledge in the form of videos. We thought of this online course just because of the reason that we can have the resources from all over the world only when it is online course. If it is offline, then we have to invite them to the premises. We have to conduct the classes. In such a situation, there will be constraint on the part of the resources. Only few can come to this premises and they can deliver the things. And only few students of our college can join it. We have thought of online just because of the reason that all over India, many participants are from different states also. They have enjoyed the knowledge, and even the resource persons have delivered just because it is online. So my sincere thanks and heartfelt gratitude towards all the resource persons really who have spent their valuable times, even retired judges and yoga practitioners and dance teachers. They are all busy, but they have devoted their time and they have given fresh videos. All the videos are prepared only for our short-term course. They are not the videos prepared for any other reasons. So I should be very thankful to all of them. And here I cannot name all of them due to the constraint of the time. So here by this speech, I'm thanking them a lot. And I request them to be there with us for a future journey also and for our future courses also. And I would like to thank our beloved principal for the reason that he is there with us for all the efforts. And if we are there in the journey of us doing something to our students, and our principal will be supporting us in every aspect. IQAC coordinator, Dr. G.K. Badigere he himself is a very good resource person. He has proved it with his videos and he has supported us morally and also in many respects. So I would like to say thanks to him also. And my sincere thanks to Dr. Uma Pujar, who is there with me in throughout this journey. She is really very strong technical support for this content development and also the short-term course. So my sincere thanks to Dr. Uma Pujar also. All of my colleagues who are there with me and all the participants who have registered themselves to the course, who have taken the benefit of the videos are there with me. So my sincere thanks to all the participants who are there as the students. So hereby we are getting an end for the course, but I would like to say that in the month of May, again, we are going to conduct the short-term course with some additions and also some revisions. We are going to conduct it once again. This time, it will be an extension program and all the women faculty from different fraternity can join and enjoy the course. So, my dear students, be there with us for future courses also. So let us have an end with the beautiful mindset saying that this is the International Women's Day, which is just now celebrated, and we are there as a leaders in future. Women in leadership will be there with all its meaningfulness and the strength which will be proven in the future also. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much, Thank you very much, Madam, for a successful conduct of 1 month long short-term course. I thank the principal, the team, and the special guest present today. Dr. Arvind Kulkarni is with us.
Thanks to
And
Dr.
thanks to
Saraswati
Dr.
Kalasar.
Saraswati Kalasad and all of you for the success. Finally, we say something to the participants. Don't say that it is the here. And with this, I wish all of you the best, and let's learn together. And particularly the slogan. Thank you very much for joining us.